Hi, Alistair here from starting a Shopify e-commerce store from scratch. So in the last video, we went about and we picked a theme, and now we are going to go in and edit the theme to make it look the way we want it. So let's start right at the top in the header section. As you can see, if you look at the header as it is right now, there's a black bar on top that says announce something here. In future, maybe if you're running a special or you want to make a store announcement, you can put the black bar back to keep the announcement on for each and every single page of your website. But right now, we don't need it. We're just starting out. We want our store to be as clean and simple for people to use as possible. So let's go and disable that banner on top of your page, your header. So there you go, the black bar is gone. I would suggest you go and grab yourself a logo or have your logo made. You can go to a site like fiverr.com where they can make a logo for you for $5, which is pretty cheap. Or you can go and choose a simple logo for yourself. As you can see there, you can go and choose your own images. Free images are provided by Shopify too. Shopify provides everything you need to get your business up and running today. Pictures, logos, graphics, whatever you need, they're provided. There's nothing much you need to change here at all. Before you leave this page, make sure to click Save and make this a habit. Once you've done something, click on the blue Save button. Otherwise, whatever you've done will be forgotten and you need to redo it. So let's save. But as you can see in the center of the screen, it says an introductory and hero banner. I don't want that. All I want is a simple single image. So let's go and do that. To go back on any part of what you've just done or to go back to the main menu, see the little arrow on the top there? Just click it and it'll take you back. Right, here we go. What we saw there in the center of the screen is the hero banner, which is actually part of your slideshow. So we're going to go and delete the second slideshow so you remain with a single image. banner, and I've deleted all the text. Like I said, all we want is a plain image as your header. So let's go and look for an image to add as a header. When you're going to go and look for images, be very careful. You don't want an image that is copyright protected. So let me show you how to do that. Click on Tools, Usage Rights, and you need to choose the ones that are labeled for reuse. And now you want to also make sure that your images are big enough for you to use. So let's go and look at the size. Click on Large. Right, so all of these images now should be large images that are big enough for your website. So let's go and find an image that's suitable. If you're going to be running a website that's got to do with dog training or dog obedience, then maybe a couple of these images here would be a good idea. I like the one where the lady's training the dog to run up the stairs and do tricks. So let's choose that one. So we've got our image. Let's go add it as a banner. You see it looks a bit pixelated, so let's go and look for another image. Hopefully now we've got a better image. Let's try it now. That looks much better. See this text here where they say talk about your brand? You really don't like that kind of image, so I'm going to go ahead and delete it. Text here is called rich text, so let's get rid of it. It's as simple as highlighting it and pressing delete on your keyboard, and it's gone. You can then click on remove section to make sure that all the spaces are up. As you can see, it says there in the center now, collection list. What you can do is you can categorize all your products. So say now you've got dog training, you've got dog outfits, and maybe you've got dog toys that you want to sell. You can create categories and then populate those categories with the various products you find and promote. So I think for now, let's stop here and be sure to check the description below. If you haven't already, sign up for your 14-day Shopify trial, and I'll see you in the next video.